Hello and welcome to Morley's Cook and Eat. So sa araw na ito ay magluluto tayo ng super easy na full of the bone baked ribs. So come on, let's start, shall we? So ayan, umpisahan na natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-remove sa membrane ng ating pork. Itong membrane na to is very tough. That's why it's important na i-remove natin siya prior to cooking it. So, dahan-dahan lang po at baka tayo ay masugatan. Mahirap na. Pwede rin nating alisin yung mga excess fats. But it's optional lang naman. Ayan, eto na siya after removing the membranes and the fats. So, malinis na siya. Let's just dry it using a paper towel or kitchen towel. So, at this point, is lalagyan lang natin siya ng rubs or seasoning. So, I'm using here a Montreal steak seasoning that is homemade by our friend who is very kind to give this to us. So, it's really good for steaks and grilled meats. So, that's what you're using. But, of course, you can use any other rubs that you can make at home. Easy lang naman yung paggawa ng rubs. So, ayan, i-massage lang natin yung rubs sa ating ribs. Rubs sa ating ribs, diba? So, ayan. So, ayan, once finished with the rub, ilalagay lang natin yung ribs natin sa isang baking dish. And then, ika-cover lang natin siya ng aluminum foil. And we will bake it or cook it in the oven preheated at 140 to 150 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 3 hours or until the meat is tender. Alright, so while waiting for our ribs to cook, gagawa lang tayo ng barbecue sauce. So we have here ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, salt, garlic powder, sweet paprika, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. So I'm gonna put the complete list of the ingredients at the description box down below. So just kindly check it out. So ayan, hahaluin na natin siya hanggang sa matunaw yung ating asukal. Dinagdagan ko na rin siya ng 1 teaspoon na hot sauce. So depende sa inyo kung gaano kaanghang nyo siya gusto. So ayan. And now, after over 2 hours, ito na yung ating ribs. So, alam natin na tender na siya kasi nakikita na yung bones natin, na-expose na siya. So, after that one is i-slather lang natin yung ating nagawa na barbecue sauce. So, ayan, pahiran lang natin siya. Of course, we do the other side as well. After natin siyang mapahira ng ating sauce, is ilalagay natin ulit siya sa oven at 200 degrees Celsius until sa mag-caramelize yung ating sauce. So, just few minutes lang siya. And tada! Ito na siya! Sarap-sarap, besh! Tingnan nyo! This is really, really, really yummers, guys. Tingnan niyo siya. Oh, I'm so proud of myself, you know? So, ayan. Sobrang sarap niyan, guys. It's so tender. It's really full of the bone, as you can see. It's a little bit spicy. It's a little bit sweet. It's really yummy. You must try this at home. It's so easy to make, guys. Ayan. I can eat the whole rack by myself, actually. Tingnan niyo, oh, ang sarap-sarap niyan, oh.
Lami.
I'm still drooling at this moment. Ayan, tingnan niyo. Really, really, really good.
Look at that.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you like this, kindly like the video, share this to your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.